In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a QR code for WhatsApp. We'll walk through this in a clear, simple way, so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a QR code that people can scan to message you directly on WhatsApp. This is especially useful if you run a business, manage a community, or just want to make it easier for friends and contacts to reach you without having to type in your number manually. First, open your web browser and search for How to generate QR code for WhatsApp. You'll see several results, including online QR code generators and help articles. You can use almost any reliable QR code generator, but make sure you're on a trusted site. Look for a clean interface, no strange pop-ups, and ideally, a site you've heard of before. Next, you need the WhatsApp link that the QR code will point to. The simplest format is a link that starts with the official WhatsApp short link, followed by your phone number in full international format, without any spaces or special characters. If you're not sure about the correct format, search for WhatsApp Click to Chat link and follow the official guide to build that link. Once you have it, copy the entire URL carefully because any typo could break the QR code. Now, go back to your QR code generator. Look for a field that asks for a URL or website link. Paste your WhatsApp link into that box. Some generators will let you customize the appearance of your QR code, like changing the color or adding a logo. Simple black on white is usually the safest for scanning, but if you customize it, keep the contrast high so it remains easy to read for most phone cameras. When you're ready, click the button to generate your QR code. The site should instantly show you a preview. Before you download it, test it. Use your phone's camera or a built-in QR scanner to scan the code on your screen. It should open WhatsApp and start a chat with the number you linked. If it doesn't, go back and double-check your link. Once it works, download the QR code image in a high-quality format, like PNG. You can now add this QR code to posters, business cards, social media, or your website. That's all you need to generate a QR code for WhatsApp and make contacting you as simple as a quick scan.